We have a non-profit community project where we save textiles or quilts, which we give to young people who can use some power. And today I'm showing you how I'm turning this English paper piercing quilt I got for somebody into one of those community quilts with the help of this fast fashion quilt I saved from the trash. And I call it a fast fashion quilt because, well, it's made in a fast fashion way and somebody threw it out because I think the colors washed out a bit. And it's big enough for this quilt. First step is removing all these English paper piercing papers. So first step is me doing some very dull work with lifestyle television. Talk to you later. So I finished putting my quilt on the quilting machine. And now I'm going to quilt the layers together with my amazing, trusted long arm friend. I think I'm going to do something with the round, swirly shapes. But I have one more dilemma. I took out the paper bits. Now I'm wondering, what do I do with it? Do I paint them and make art with it? Or do I just throw them away? What do you think? I have lots of fun doing the last part of the quilting on this one. See, I'm making cute little flower shapes. Nice, eh? Yeah, I'm going to finish all the flowers and then the quilting is done. The rest of it was done in a squiggly manner, as you can see here. I think it suits the quilt quite well. Hello people, everything you get at the end of this video is my head, because this quilt has long been finished and donated. Which is good news, but I thought it's good to end the video with some words. So yeah, the quilt is finished and donated. Here's a picture. And it turned out very beautiful and heavy, and it went to a girl who can benefit from heavy stuff. So I'm happy. And if you want to follow my work, you can do so. Society stress will be our treasure.